Are you dreaming of earning up to 6-figure salary a year, but struggling to break into cybersecurity? You are not alone. The field is vast and competitive and tough to navigate on your own. But with the right support, you can succeed. Hi, I'm Professor Temi of my IT University, your tech billionaire coach and mentor. With more than 1,000 engineers I've already mentored into tech. I have over 30 years of experience in the industry to help you overcome the challenges and land a high-paying job in just 90 days. Yes, just 90 days. Join my interactive live classes and receive personalized mentoring. Work on hands-on projects and benefit from lifetime job support. I repeat, lifetime job support. All designed to get you ahead in this cybersecurity journey. Don't wait. Do not procrastinate. Take charge of your future now. Click on the link below to register for my upcoming free masterclass and begin your career journey into cybersecurity today. Thank you.